Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're an oldie but a goodie. The kids are officially out of school, so in today's video, I wanted to share some simple things that help me get through the day as a mom of 3. Today's video is sponsored by Ring. The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro gives me an extra peace of mind when I'm away from home. I love that it's easy to use and install since it's battery operated, and through the Ring app, I can check in and stay connected to what's happening at our front door even when I'm away. But I'll share more details later in the video, but for now, let's go ahead and hop into it. So if you know me, you know I am definitely a morning person, and one thing that really helps me get ahead of the day is waking up before the kids. Now, I'm not gonna act like this is always easy because my kids wake up early too. They may look like they daddy, but they got their mama ways because they do not believe in sleeping in. But having a little bit of quiet time before everybody needs something from me, it just makes such a difference. That way I can get my thoughts together, drink my lemon water, answer a few emails, or just sit in silence for a minute. It just helps me start the day feeling a little bit more calm instead of immediately jumping into mom mode. And one thing about me, y'all already know I'm gonna make the bed, okay? I've been preaching this for a long time, since 1989, okay? No, but seriously, making your bed is the first task you complete for the day. And when I come back into the room and the bed is made, I really feel like I have my life together. Baby, get the kids ready for the day. I am a firm believer in not staying in pajamas all day. And I know some of you are probably thinking, if we're not going anywhere, why do we need to put on real clothes? But it really sets the tone. Kids thrive off of routine. So when the kids brush their teeth, wash their face, and put on real clothes, it gives their little minds a signal like, okay, we're up and the day has started. Even if we're not going anywhere, it helps create a little structure. And kids really do well with structure. It helps them know the difference between sleep time, chill time, daytime. And of course, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. We're not putting on Sunday best just to sit around the living room. But as a mom, it helps me because if we need to get out the door, then they're already ready. And honestly, staying in pajamas all day can make the whole day feel like it never really got started. So for me, getting everybody dressed just helps the day feel more intentional, more structured, and a little less chaotic. Another thing that helps me get through the day is having simple activities ready for the kids, because as a mom, if you actually want to get something done, you need something that can keep them occupied for a little bit. It doesn't have to be anything over the top. I like to keep coloring books, crayons, colored pencil, little arts and crafts, just simple things they can do on their own while I'm nearby getting a few things done around the house. And then outside we have a bubble machine and water table, and y'all, they love that water table. Even Uriah, and he's 9, he will still go out there and play with it. And I feel like having a few easy activities already available just makes the day flow better, and it gives the kids something fun to do, and it cuts down on everybody constantly needing me every 2 seconds. I'm all about a clean house, so one thing that really helps me get through the day is doing a cleaning power hour, and this is where I set a timer for 1 hour and just get as much done as I can. So I'm picking up anything that's out of place, wiping down countertops, vacuuming, doing laundry, just whatever needs my attention in the moment. And I think the reason this helps so much is because it keeps me from feeling like I have to clean all day. I'm not trying to deep clean the whole house. I'm just giving myself a focused window to make some progress. And even if I don't finish everything, the house feels better, I feel better, and it helps me move through the rest of the day without feeling like the mess is just staring at me. One thing that definitely makes mom life easier for me is getting out the house when I can, even if it's just running errands or giving the kids a change of scenery. It helps us all reset. And when we're away from home, having the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro gives me that extra peace of mind. It was a really easy upgrade for our entryway, and I love how the Retinal 4K feature gives me more visibility right at the front door. So if a package is dropped off or if someone comes by, I can check it right from my phone through the Ring app and see exactly what's happening. I also love that it's battery powered, so it works well for our setup, and the quick release battery pack makes it easy to remove and recharge when needed. I like that I can be out with the kids and still feel connected to home. With the Ring app, if someone rings the doorbell, I get the notification right on my phone, so I don't have to go back and check the app to see what I missed. The notification comes right to me, and I love that. And as a mom, I'm usually doing 10 things at once, so having that alert come straight to my phone gives me that extra peace of mind. I can open the app and see what's happening in real time and use the two-way talk if I need to speak through the Ring app. So if you've been thinking about adding the Ring to your home, definitely check out the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. I'll have everything linked down in the description box below. One thing that is definitely necessary to make it through the day as a mom is you have to stop stressing about dinner time. I know trying to figure out what to cook can be a lot, but y'all, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I have a few easy meals that I like to keep in rotation. Tonight we're doing taco bowls, and these are always a win in our house. And this is one of those meals that looks like you did a little something, but it's really simple. Everybody can build their bowl however they want it, and the kids like it, and I'm not standing in the kitchen trying to reinvent dinner. And if I truly can't think of anything, then baby, chicken nuggets in the air fryer, and we're calling it a day. Everybody is fed and everybody is fine. And so much of motherhood is just figuring out what works, keeping things simple, and doing what you can to get through the day without losing your mind. So yes, I love a good simple meal. If it's easy, the kids will eat it, and it doesn't have me stressed out in the kitchen, then it's definitely going in rotation. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And again, thank you to Ring for sponsoring this video. As always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!